Hello. Today what I wanted to do is some primitive cooking. I have brought out a ball of dough. And what this is whole wheat flour and water only. Now, throughout the ages, primitive man, natives, the 18th century soldiers and such, they would carry flour with them and just add a little bit of water and make ash cakes or different breads and such by adding different ingredients. Now, the good thing about these is they would add berries, many ways to spice it up. Now, this here is only going to be whole wheat flour and water, and I'm going to cook it directly in the coals. That is why they call it ash cakes. Now what I've got to do is just keep feeding this until I have a good bed of coals. I'm going to let that burn down. So I could be cooking this on a stick or a slab over here, letting just the heat of the fire cook it. Could be cooking it in a frying pan. Many ways to cook this, but a lot of times this is the way they do it. Takes a little while to get your coal base all ready for it, but this is going to take it could take 5 minutes, could take 10 or 15. So you want to have a decent coal base that's going to provide the heat for that amount of time. I'm going to need a pair of tongs to move that around. So, I'm just going to do that. Stick a stick in here. And gives me a set of tongs. Looks ready to me. I'm going to set my ash cake right here and put some coals on top of it as well. Now the thinner this is, faster it's going to cook. It's about 3/8 of an inch there. Got some pretty good heat there. Just take a look at this. Oh yeah. A little warm still. My fire is out there now, just very little heat. But I'll show you what this looks like. As you see, It is a lot stiffer now and ready to be eaten. So there it is right there. Now, it's a little bit of ash on it. That won't hurt you. Now you can see also, it's pretty hard. I'll open it up. Right there. It's a little doughy, but it's definitely edible. So this here, I just wanted to show you this method because it's been used throughout the centuries. It's actually pretty good stuff. I have cooked many foods directly on the coals, and ash cakes is something that I have not tried on the coals, so that was a nice way to spend a little bit of time out here in the bush. Now, it's always good to know that you don't need cookware a lot of times out here in the bush and still eat well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Always appreciate it.